Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So now we have done this exercise 6.3, question number 23. Question number 23. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 24, right? Okay. So that question number 24 is, here it is, find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the parabola it is hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is 1 at the point x0, y0. Okay. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 at the point x0, y0. Okay. So now you have to find the equation of tangent and normal. Also this point is given, so you just find the slope of the tangent and normal and put it that equation. So here is you want to find the slope of the tangent, so you have to find dy by dx at the point x0, y0. So first of all, x square by a square minus y square by b square is 1. Now this point x0, y0 lies on hyperbola. Yes or no? At the point x0, y0, this x0, y0 is the point of the curve, and therefore x0, y0 lies on the hyperbola. If it lies on the hyperbola, then x0 square by a square, y0 square by b square is 1. This is number 1. We know that if this point lies on the curve, then it satisfies this equation. So we can write this. ये हमें use में आएगा. Now we'll find this dy by dx. So 2x upon a square. Derivative of this minus. Derivative of y square 2y. B square constant, dy by dx is equal to 0. So from that can you find this dy by dx? That is equal to, here it is minus. So now 2x by a square into b square by 2y. Yes or no? First of all, if it goes this side, both the side minus minus will be cancelled. 2x upon a square multiplied by b square upon 2y, it is reciprocal. And therefore, we can say that dy by dx is equal to 2 cancel. B square by a square x upon y. Now, this is dy by dx. Then, slope of the tangent at x0, y0 you want to find. So, dy by dx at x0, y0 is the slope of the tangent at the given point. So that b square by a square x0 upon y0. It is x and y की जगह x0, y0. So you can say that this is the slope of the tangent. Now you want to find the slope of the equation of the tangent. The equation of tangent is y minus y0 mx minus x0. So y minus y0 remains same, right? Because the point is given. This is x0, y0 is the point. Or you can say x1, y1 is the point. But what I am saying here, y0, y मैंने y0 क्यों लिखा है? Because point x1, y1, x0, y0 is given. सो x माइनस x1 एंड y माइनस y1 की जगह पे मैंने डायरेक्ट x0 y0 ही लिख दिया है एंड y minus y0 is equal to m. m is the slope. b square x0 upon a square y0 x minus x0. We will write always here y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Then the given point x1 y1 is here and that is we write here. But यहाँ point x0 y0 ही दिया है so मैंने x1 y1 की जगह पे डायरेक्ट ही लिख दिया. You understand that? Okay. Now y0 हम a स्क्वायर को यहीं पे रहने देते हैं एंड ये y0 को इस तरफ ले आएंगे then we will get y0 minus y0 square. I will take this b square here upon b square is equal to x0 अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो minus x0 square upon a square. Why I have done this? Why? Because I want this form. तो हम इसका यूज कर सकते हैं. सो x0 अपॉन a स्क्वायर चाहिए और y0 स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई आई विल हैव डन दिस अरेंजमेंट. सो y माइनस y0 ये y0 इस तरफ मल्टीप्लाई किया अपॉन b स्क्वायर लिया देन आई विल गेट y0 स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर. राइट? ओके. नाउ आई विल रब दिस. हैव यू रिटन इट? यस. Then separate the denominator y0 upon b square minus y0 square upon b square. Okay. Now y0 square ये है x0 square इस तरफ. Therefore x0 square upon a square come this side becomes plus minus y0 square upon b square here is equal to x0 upon a square minus y0 upon b square. Now this is what? Here it is x0 square upon a square minus y0 square upon b square becomes 1. So here it becomes 1. We get the equation of normal, tangent is x0 upon a square y0 upon b square is 1. So this is the equation of tangent at point x0 y0. Okay, this is the equation of tangent. Now another thing you want to find this equation of normal. So how to find this equation of normal is here. The slope of the tangent हमें क्या मिला था? ये रहा. This is the slope of the tangent. From that we'll find the slope of the normal and then write the equation. और अगर आप ऐसे कर देंगे और if you want तो हम डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. How to write it directly? This is m. Now equation of normal is y minus y1 but y1 is y0 so we write it directly minus 1 upon m x minus x0. So ये अगर वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं की है तो वहीं से डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write it directly. So y minus y0 minus 1 upon m. So this is m. इसका माइनस करके रेसिप्रोकल तो a square y0 upon b square x0. So here we will write a square y0 b square x0 x minus x0. So this is equation of normal. Now we will simplify it. जैसे हमने सिंप्लीफाई किया था उसी तरह सेम वे इफ वी सिंप्लीफाई then what happened here? y minus y0 अपॉन इसे ले लेंगे a square y0 minus x minus x0 b square x0. So now the equation of the normal here. Equation of normal is, what is it? Y minus y0 upon a square y0 plus. If it is minus, we would like to take it here. It is x minus x0 upon b square x0 is equal to 0. Right? So this is the equation of normal at the given point x0, y0. Understand that? Okay. So here the equation is simple. The method to find the normal and tangent is also simple. जैसे हम करते थे वैसे ही करना है. But the point is given x0, y0. So x0, y0 के फॉर्म में दोनों इक्वेशन का आंसर आएगा. That's it. First of all, you have to find this dy by dx. At the given point is the slope of the tangent. Then you put it in the equation and find out the equation of tangent. Same way, if you write this equation of normal, instead of m, here we'll write minus 1 upon m, then you will get the equation of normal. You simplified it. So, this is the question number 24. Equation of tangent and normal for the given hyperbola at this given point. Okay? So, this is question number 24. Do it. Then we'll go ahead to move with the exercise, that is question number 25. Okay, question number 25 is find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to under root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here is equation of tangent to this curve. तो आपको equation of tangent तो find करना ही है by finding this dy by dx and all. But at which point is not given. And therefore, उसकी वजह ये कंडीशन दी है, तो वो कंडीशन का यूज करके आपको पॉइंट फाइंड करना है, that at which point you will find this tangent. Here, slope तो मिल जाएगा, but the point is not given, और instead of the point, ये कंडीशन है जिसका यूज करके आप पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे. Keep in mind. So, first of all, find the equation of tangent to the curve. Y is equal to this, which is parallel to this line. If the two lines are parallel, one is the tangent and other is the given line, then the slope is equal. That you keep in mind, and that condition that you will use to find the point. So here y is equal to under root of 3x minus 2. Therefore you can say that dy by dx is 1 upon 2 root 3x minus 2 into 3. That is the chain rule. Now you will find the derivative is very easier for you. Lots of practice we have done. So dy by dx is equal to, here the square root की derivative होगी 1 upon 2 root. And the bracket 3x minus 2 की derivative होगी 3. So this is dy by dx at the given point. So this is the slope of the tangent. Therefore we can say that slope of the tangent is equal to 3 upon 2 under root 3x minus 2. While the slope of this given line that is what? Minus a upon b. So 4 by 2 plus 4 by 2 because minus minus plus it is 2. Now this 2 given line and the tangent is parallel, so the slope is equal, and therefore 3 by 2 under root 3x minus 2 is equal to 2. So can you say that if you take the reciprocal on both the sides, that is, here we write 2 root 3x minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 2, right? Yes. Then square root of 3x minus 2 is, here 3 by 4. Now if you perform the square on both the sides, now what we will do, we'll find the value of x from that. So here 3x minus 2 is 9 by 16. So 3x equal to 9 by 16 plus 2. So 3x is 32 plus 9, 41 by 16. Yes or no? Yes. Then x is equal to 41 by 48. This is the value of x. अब वही value of x will write in the curve and find the value of y. और हम y की value find करेंगे, right? And therefore y is equal to under root of 3 41 by 48 minus 2. So 3 16s and y is equal to 41 minus 16 to 32 by 16. So that is 41 minus 32 again 9 by 16. So here 9 by 16 that is 3 by 4. So the value of y क्या मिल गया हमें? 3 by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Then we want to find the equation of tangent at the given point. So equation of tangent में slope of the tangent is here. जो given line का slope है वो ही tangent का slope होगा. Both is equal. We know that. So we will write now this equation of tangent and point x and y, that is 41 by 48 3 by 4 is x minus x1. We'll write first m y minus y1. Therefore x minus, what is x1? 41 by 48, m is 2, y minus 3 by 4. This is the equation of tangent at the given point. और you can say, ये हमने उल्टा लिख दिया है, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, right? Yes. Y minus 3 by 4 to x minus 41 by 48, right? Okay, so we can say that 4y minus 3. The whole upon 4 goes this side, 4 2s are 8. X minus 41 by 6. Here 8. Whole upon 4. 4y minus 3 by 4. This 4 goes this side, 4 2s are 8. 8x minus 8 6 are 48, 41 by 6. Again here 8x will have to simplify it. So if you simplify, that is 8x minus 4y is equal to minus 41 by 6 coming this side becomes positive minus 8x minus 4y minus 41 by 6 minus 3. Yes? Okay. So 8x minus 4y minus 18 by 6. So 6 coming this side. 41 minus 18. What is it? 23. Yes? Okay. So it is y. Yes? So this equation of tangent is 48x minus 24y is equal to 23, or you can say 48x minus 24y minus 23 is equal to 0. So by this way you can find the equation of tangent. Here two things, always remember this method. First of all, equation of tangent के लिए point and the slope of the tangent चाहिए. If the point is given, you just find the slope of the tangent by finding the derivative and put it in the equation. But whenever the point is not given, then some condition is given. From that condition, you will use and find the point at which you want to find the tangent. That is x1 y1 नहीं दिया है, तो instead of that कुछ condition दी होगी. Then by using this condition you will find the point of the tangent and then write the equation of tangent. Understand that? Okay, so here when the slope is given, it is easier, you just find, point is given, it is easier, you just find the slope and put it in that. But the point is not given, तो slope के लिए कुछ न कुछ दिया होगा. तो यहाँ पे दिया है this given line is parallel to the tangent, so दोनों का slope को हम equal, that is compare करके you will find the point x1 y1. Then we'll find x. Put it in the curve and find y. Then you can find the equation of tangent. Understood? Yes. This is question number 25. Now there is two MCQ is there, 26 and 27. So we'll quickly do it. Then we'll do some extra sums for the tangent and normal. The equation that is now 26. Slope of the normal to the curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x and x is equal to 0. If you want to find the slope of the normal, then first of all you have to find the derivative, slope of tangent, and then you get the slope of normal, right? Okay, so here dy by dx. What is it? 4x plus 3 cos x. Then slope of tangent at x equal to 0 is dy by dx at x equal to 0. Wherever you write x equal to 0, here is 0 plus cos 0 1, that is 3, and therefore slope of normal is minus 1 by 3, right? Slope of the tangent is 3, the slope of the normal is minus 1 by 3. So what is that answer? D is the option, right? Okay, then it is easier. 27. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x at the point dash. Line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x at the point dash. That means what? Point is not given. The equation of tangent is given. Equation of tangent के ऊपर से आपको find करना है कि वो किसका, at which point this tangent is. So what we will do? From this we can find the slope of the tangent. From this we can find the slope of the tangent. दोनों को compare करो क्योंकि दोनों एक ही है. Understand that? So if we find here y square is equal to 4x, then 2y dy by dx is 4. So can you say that dy by dx is equal to 2 upon y? 2 to the 4 cut, 2 upon y. So this is what? Slope of the tangent at point xy is 2 upon y. But tangent is already given. So, but slope of tangent is from this, if tangent is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is y is equal to mx plus c form है. तो you will write directly. अगर आपको ये याद आता है तो लाइन स्ट्रेट लाइन है टेंजेंट, उसका इक्वेशन y इज इक्वल टू mx प्लस 1 भी होता है. So compare this with mx plus 1, mx plus c. You will get the equation of the tangent is, the slope of the tangent is 1. But if you don't get it, then x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Then it is minus a upon b. The slope is 1. Right? You can compare y is equal to mx plus c. तो ये जो m है, that is the slope of the tangent. Or else, अगर ये नहीं याद आया, तो ये करके minus a upon b करो. By both the way, you will get the slope is 1. Therefore, you can say 2 upon y is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 2. If you get y is equal to 2, write it in the curve. So you will get here 2 square is equal to 4x. What is it? At the point x is equal to क्या आ जाएगा? 4, that is 1. So you can say that therefore x is equal to 1. So tangent of the curve at point 1, 2. X equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So we will get this 1, 2 and that is the option A is there. You understand what I am doing here? This tangent is given, curve is given. तो दोनों के यहाँ से हम dy by dx करेंगे, we will get the slope of the tangent. यहाँ से करेंगे, we will get the slope of the tangent. दोनों slope equal है, compare करो, you will get the point. Understood? Yes. So that is the exercise. Okay, this is question number 27. Okay, then okay, exercise 6.3 is over here. So from the next lecture we will start the exercise at the next topic, approximation. But before that we'll do some extra sums for this tangent and normal. Okay, so first you do it, then we'll go ahead with the next sum. So the first sum is find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle. हमने आगे लिया था, एक एग्जाम्पल में था पैराबोला y square equal to 4x. अभी एक्सरसाइज में किया that the equation of hyperbola. Now this is parabola. Now this is circle at point x1, y1. So we have given here x square plus y square equal to a square is the given circle. Then can you say that x1, y1 is on the circle? And therefore, you can write x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square. This is number 1. Now, here, if you find the derivative of this 2x, then 2y dy by dx 0. So from this you will find dy by dx is 2 तो cancel हो जाएगा. What is it? Minus x upon y. This is dy by dx, that means the slope of the tangent. Yes, here slope of tangent at given point x1 y1, that is dy by dx at x1 y1 is minus x1 upon y1. Then equation of tangent, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. We'll write the direct equation now, right? Here we'll not write this general form. Then what is it? y1 यहाँ पे होगा y1 minus y1 square. Here x1 x1 minus minus plus x1 square. So now arrange the terms. It is minus x1 come this side, that is x1 plus y1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. But what is x1 square plus y1 square? वो हमने पहले से ही लिख के रखा हुआ है. That is what? A square. Yes. So we can say that this is a square. So x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. So we get this equation of tangent. Now we want to find the equation of normal. Then equation of normal. Y minus y1. Instead of the slope m, now we will take minus 1 upon m, x minus x1. So, no need to find the slope of the tangent normal indifferently. We will write direct here. And that is what? Y minus y1. Here, m is minus x1 upon y1. This is the slope of the tangent. So, minus 1 upon m करेंगे तो y1 upon x1 हो जाएगा. It is positive. So, we can say that y1 upon x1, x minus x1. So, now, here, we will write y minus y1 into x1, x minus x1 into y1. So, what is the equation sub here? x1y, x1 y1, xy1, x1 y1. From both the side, x1 y1 will be cancelled. And therefore, x1y minus xy1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Right? अगर point दिया है, just find the slope and write the equation. That's it. It is easier. Understood? Yes. Do it. The next sum is find the equation of tangent and normal to x raised to 2 by 3, y raised to 2 by 3, a raised to 1 by 3. Okay. At x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, where theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now, you want to find the equation of the tangent and normal, where this is a curve and here x and y is the point. Point is given, then it is easier for us. We just find the slope and put it in that. So here, first of all, the curve is given. But if you find the derivative, that is 2 by 3 x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 3. Plus 2 minus 1 by 3 dy by dx, and that is equal to 0. Now, from this 2 by 3 cancel, and dy by dx is here. From this side it is minus x upon y raised to minus 1 by 3. To make it positive, we will write dy by dx is minus y by x raised to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Yes, you can take this minus inside or outside. Minus हम कहीं पे भी ले सकते हैं, right? Okay. Now what? Here dy by dx at the given point is our slope. So we can say slope of tangent dy by dx at a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta. This is our point. So, instead of y, I will write a sin cube theta. Instead of x, I will write a cos cube theta. So, minus a sin cube theta, a cos cube theta raised to 1 by 3. A will become cancelled. Sin cube upon cos cube is tan cube theta raised to 1 by 3. And that is minus tan theta is the slope of the tangent. Understand? Yes. Therefore, equation of tangent at given point. Y minus y1 m x minus x1. What? x1 y1 is this given point, x and y, right? So we can say that therefore y minus y1 a sin cube theta m minus tan theta x minus a cos cube theta, right? So this is the equation of tangent. Now this equation of tangent को if you want to simplify तो क्या हो जाएगा? Then here just instead of tan theta you will write sin by cos. Yes. तो और वो cos आप इधर multiply कर दीजिए. So we'll write it directly. Okay. Here therefore y cos theta a sin cube theta cos theta is equal to minus x sin theta minus minus plus a cos cube theta sin theta, right? If you take all the things in one side, that is equal to 0. Yes? Okay. So here if we simplify, ये सब मैं निकाल दूंगी, right? Okay. So what is it? Can you say that? Yes. Here minus x sin theta coming this side. It is plus x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to ये उस तरफ जाएगा प्लस हो जाएगा a sin cube theta cos theta plus a cos cube theta sin theta. So x sin theta y cos theta is equal to, from here what is common? A we can take sin square theta. A sin theta cos theta is common. So what is remaining? Sin square theta plus cos square theta and becomes 1. Therefore x sin theta y cos theta a sin theta cos theta. That is the equation of tangent, right? Just a simplification is necessary, otherwise nothing to do. This is the tan theta slope आ गया, फिर इसमें रख दिया sin upon cos करके यहाँ पे simplify कर दिया. So that is the equation of tangent. Also you have to find the equation of normal. So we will write this equation of normal is. Okay, हम यहीं पे करते हैं. चलो, equation of normal. So instead of m I will write minus 1 upon m. So that here it is minus minus plus 1 upon tan theta is cot theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta is that is cot theta. Yes. Then cos upon sin होगा. So you will multiply here sin. So we'll get y sin theta minus a sin raised to 4 theta. X cos theta minus a cos raised to 4 theta. Because it is cos upon sin. तो sin यहाँ multiply होगा cos अंदर. Now ये y sin theta उस तरफ जाएगा. That is x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to, here minus है वो इस तरफ आएगा plus a cos raised to 4 theta minus a sin raised to 4 theta. Yes or no? So this is the equation of normal. So here now you have to simplify something. अभी आप simplify करेंगे तो therefore x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to, a you will take common, it is cos raised to 4 minus sin raised to 4. So now you can write cos square theta minus sin square theta and cos square theta plus sin square theta. But this cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1. Yes, this is 1. And cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. We know this formula of cos 2 theta. So the ultimately x cos theta y sin theta a cos 2 theta is the equation of normal to the given point. Do you understand that? Both the way you have to write the simplification only in both the equation. Otherwise, both equation is very easy, right? So, that method remains same. You just find the slope of the tangent, simplify, write the equation, simplify. Normal, simplify. That's it, right? So, do it. Then we do some more sums. Then the third equation is find the equation of tangent and normal to y square is equal to 4ax at 80 square and 280. So it is very easy now. So we'll do it fast. Y square is equal to 4ax. I think is it repeated? ये हो गया है कि नहीं? That we will check first and then do it. Yes, it is correct. That is in the exercise only. So we will not do it again. ये exercise का ही sum है, right? Okay. Then we will not do it again. Okay. Then the next sum is show that the tangent to y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel, right? अगर दोनों को parallel दिखाना है then what you have to do, that slope equal करना है, right? So first of all slope of tangent, ये भी शायद से हो गया है, at xy is dy by dx 21x square, right? Yes, that is done already. So now dy by dx at x is equal to 2 and dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2. If it is equal, then tangent parallel, right? This is also we have done, so we will not repeat it. Keep in mind, okay? Yes. So that is the question we have done. Now one more question we will do is, okay, then the one more sum is, this is important now, here, prove that the sum of intercepts on axis by any tangent to root x plus root y is equal to root c is constant. Okay, that means पहले तो इसका मतलब समझते हैं. Sum of the intercepts on the axis by any tangent. So first of all you will find the tangent of this curve. This tangent intersect the axis at the point. This point or length of this, you know that what is intercepts on the axis. So here is the curve. Then this is the tangent to the curve. And this is the intercept. ये जो point है हम find करेंगे. Then this is tangent and this is x intercept and this is y intercept. Right? So this is the tangent or intercepts on the axis are here. Then sum of the intercept is constant. आपको prove करना है. Right? Okay. So first of all you have to find the tangent. So root x plus root y root c is the given curve. If you want to find this then tangent, then you have to find the slope of this. So divide by dy by dx find करेंगे. That is पहले root x की डेरिवेटिव 1/2 root x रूट y है 1/2 रूट y dy by dx. Root c is constant. From this 2 cancel, so that dy by dx is, here it goes minus root y ऊपर minus root y by root x. This is the slope of the tangent at point x5. You understand that? Yes? Okay. Now, slope of the tangent here. Any point is not given. So, let this point we will take x1, y1. Right? Okay. The slope of tangent at x1, y1 is minus under root of y1 upon x1, right? y1 upon x1. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 m, that is under root minus y1 by x1 x minus x1. That is the equation of tangent. Now equation of tangent को थोड़ा simplify करते हैं. root x1, here it is in the denominator. root y1 को here you will take in the denominator. So क्या हो जाएगा? What is it? You can say y upon root y1 minus y1 upon root y1 minus x upon root x1 and x1 upon root x1. So if you open the bracket, minus minus plus. Now what is that? Simplification is here root y1 upon root y1 is root y1. So y by root y1 plus root y1. Okay, it is minus. Is equal to minus x upon root x1 plus root x1. ये root cancel हो जाएगा. So now our equation will be x upon root x1 plus y upon root y1 is root x1 plus root y1. But root x1 plus root y1 तो root c होगा क्योंकि this point is also on the curve and therefore ये हो जाएगा root c. So we can say that x upon root x1 y upon root y1 is equal to c. This is what? It is the equation of tangent. ये क्या हो गया? Equation of tangent हो गया. Now equation of tangent जो है, that is the, from that we will find x intercept and y intercept. जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया डायग्राम में. So x intercept is on the x axis. So y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा और जब हम x अपॉन a प्लस y अपॉन b इज इक्वल टू 1 करते हैं तो ये a एंड b आर द x एंड y इंटरसेप्ट होता है. आप याद कीजिए 11th स्टैंडर्ड में हमने स्ट्रेट लाइन में किया था. व्हाट इज x इंटरसेप्ट? a एंड y इंटरसेप्ट b. दिस इज इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. पर जब c इज नॉट एवरी टाइम 1, इट इज एनी कांस्टेंट. सो वील राइट रूट x1 इंटू c एंड रूट y1 इंटू c. दिस इज x एंड y. अगर इसे जनरल फॉर्म में लिखना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? c से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. सो इफ यू डिवाइड दिस इक्वेशन बाय c, x अपॉन रूट x1 इंटू c प्लस y अपॉन रूट y1 इंटू c इज इक्वल टू 1. सो व्हाट इज दैट इक्वेशन? दैट x इंटरसेप्ट. नाउ आपका x इंटरसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा? टेल मी. ओके, सो इट इज रूट c. It is root c here. तो आपको रूट c से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे वैल्यू रूट c दी है, नॉट ओनली c. ओके, यस. देन x इंटरसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा? रूट x1 रूट c. तो पूरा लिख देते हैं. एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट 0. y इंटरसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा? उसमें x 0 होगा एंड रूट y1 c. राइट. अभी आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? द सम ऑफ इंटरसेप्ट ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस. तो एक्स इंटरसेप्ट एंड वाई इंटरसेप्ट, ये तो हमने एक्स एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट्स लिखे. एक्स एक्सिस पे ये पॉइंट है और वाई एक्सिस पे ये पॉइंट है. जब हम यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट्स ये दिए, ये 2 पॉइंट्स हमने फाइंड किए, तो दिस इज एक्स इंटरसेप्ट एंड दिस इज वाई इंटरसेप्ट. तो सम ऑफ x and y intersect, root x1c plus root y1c इज इक्वल टू, आपको कांस्टेंट लाना है तो यहां से रूट c को कॉमन निकालो, रूट x1 प्लस रूट y1, बट दिस इज अगेन रूट c, इट इज गिवन रूट x1 प्लस रूट y1 रूट c होगा एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू c विच इज कांस्टेंट. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इट इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट सम. हियर कर्व इज गिवन, वो कर्व्स का जो टेंजेंट है वो टेंजेंट एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट करता है, तो फिर ये एक्स एंड वाई इंटरसेप्ट का सम कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए. तो हमने पहले dy by dx दैट इज स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट फाइंड किया, फिर इक्वेशन ऑफ द टेंजेंट थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके ये फाइंड किया. दिस इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट को रूट c से डिवाइड करके इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म लिखा, x अपॉन a प्लस y अपॉन b इक्वल टू 1 होना चाहिए. दिस इज x इंटरसेप्ट, दिस इज y इंटरसेप्ट, तो दोनों का एडिशन किया तो वो 0 कांस्टेंट आ रहा है. सो वी नो दैट सम ऑफ द इंटरसेप्ट बिकम 1 कांस्टेंट. दिस इज द sum. Okay, so it is important. Now this is the end of this session. We have done some extra sums for the tangent and normal. So now I wish that कि आपको tangent normal की definition से लेके पूरा concept समझ में आ गया है. How to do the sums, that you will do it yourself now. Make more practice. Okay, then we will meet in the next chapter, next lesson. Sorry, we will meet for the next session with the next topic, that is approximation, which is a small topic and easier. Okay, so goodbye. Till then, we'll meet again.